Hello friends, good morning to everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page Think Forward. চাকৰি সম্বন্ধীয় আন এটা ভাল খবৰ আজি আপোনাক দিব লৈছো। চাই লওক দিছে a walk-in interview is held to be held on 24 August 2023 from 9:30 a.m. onwards at the ICFRE Rainforest Research Institute, Jorhat for engagement of project fellows to work under projects as details below. Addition, number 1, project title is here, eco-tourism. Eco-tourism feasibility study in the Intenki National Park to promote tourist livelihood improvement and biodiversity conservation. Duration is initially for 3 months. And name of the post and now junior project fellows JPF total post duta. Qualification first class master degree in the ecology, forestry, botany, agriculture, extension, sociology. Desirable preference will be given to the candidate having working experience in Nagaland. Mahali to Halibo, 20,000 টাকা plus HRA as admissible DC. Next is assessment of demand of wood-based industries and availability of timer in Assam. Duration 6 months. Project assistant. Duta post or essential amar jitu qualification level first class bachelor degree in the forestry, botany, environment science, agriculture, geography. Desirability is working experience in GIS and IS MS Excel. Fixed DC Next is the post are purely contextual. Age of khetto dice je 25 to 28 or bhitor hobo laibo aru relaxation 5 years for SC, ST, OBC candidate and 3 years for OBC candidate. 5 বছৰ ST, SC and women candidate okhane dibo. Next, duly fill up application form along with the testimonial will be accepted on the day of interview. Candidates should bring one passport size photograph. No TAD will be paid for attending the interview. Okay, passport size photograph out of TAD immediately at Janai. যোগ্যতা আছে আপোনালোকে অতি সোনকালে যাব 28 তাৰিখে 24 তাৰিখে আপোনালোকৰ যিটো ইণ্টাৰভিউ হ'ব। প্ৰথমবাৰ যদি ভিজিট কৰিছে আপুনি আমাৰ চেনেলত প্লিজ লাইক এণ্ড ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু আগলৈ এনে ধৰণৰ গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ খা খবৰসমূহ লাভ কৰিবলৈ হ'লে চাই থাকিব আমাৰ ইউটিউব চেনেল থিংক ফৰৱাৰ্ড। থেংক ইউ।